Boom.
Yo.
Hello.
Hello. Happy Saturday.
Yeah.
We are pumpkin picking.
5th of October, pumpkin picking.
You haven't worn the most appropriate shoes.
I forgot that it'd be muddy.
Tilting.
Huh?
That's better.
Ah.
Yeah. So he's got shoes, nice, clean, black and white suede Vans.
I didn't remember.
No.
Oh,
silly.
It's fucking so muddy as well, and everybody's wearing wellies and.
Are they all in wellies too?
This is terrible. No, they're not in wellies, but they're in shoes they probably don't care about.
Like trainers.
I'm
actually in little black suede boots, but they're also not.
just gonna have to tiptoe.
I'd have rather have gone in the other entrance.
So would I.
The one that we came in last year. Yeah. I thought that's what it was going to be. That's why I wouldn't have worried.
Alright, so if we just walk that way, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Let's go see these pumpkins then.
So we're going to go pumpkin picking, have a little look around, and then we are going to go and get some donuts.
Yes, I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving. I really want some
lunch. And a coffee.
Yeah, I'd like my hot chocolate.
Yeah. We're just going to chill today.
Yeah.
Go do some shopping.
Do a little bit of shopping.
After. Are we buying pumpkins today? We're
yeah, I want to get some white pumpkins.
White ones? I don't know.
They've got white pumpkins and munchkins.
What, they paint them white?
I think they're grown white.
Shut up.
No, but honestly, I think they're grown white.
I've never seen a white pumpkin.
We're going to get some white. They've got blue ones as well.
They're probably filthy.
They're like grey. Yeah, they are going to be. But I'm wearing a hat today, guys. And I'm all in like my beige attire to blend in with the pumpkins.
Yeah. You do go with pumpkin picking.
I feel like I look really autumnal.
You do.
Which is what I wanted to look like when we were going to get some pumpkins.
It's actually not too cold today.
No, it's not. So I don't know.
We've done this at a good time.
Not?
I'm going to take mine, I think. I like being cozy.
Okay. I might take mine as well then. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go
and get some pumpkins.
Rest in peace, shoes.
No, they'll be fine.
No, they won't. Look at the state of that. Oh, this is gonna end bad.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything?
We're in the little farm shop that's right near it. Just looking at the stuff.
This is your like welly stuff.
Yeah, it's there. Skin food.
Didn't you need any?
It's amazing. It's about £3 more expensive in here than if I get it from Holland and Barrett.
Exactly.
Yeah. Oh my god, how cute are these?
Oh yeah, pale ales.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
I love all this kind of stuff. It's like organic. Yeah. Oh, we need some rice actually. Maybe we should get some rice from here.
I like this looks all organic.
I know, it's so good, isn't it? Organic kitchen. What's this? Crunchy peanut. What?
Oh,
look at the
good.
size of that. That's such a good price.
I think that's pretty good. It's huge.
Wait a minute. That says $6.99. That says $5.59. Organic kitchen.
I don't know.
What?
So I'm gonna mix all three of them up, and then you can't look.
I'm not looking.
And then the first one's gonna be the top one. The third one's gonna be the bottom one. So 1, 2, or 3.
So I pick a number, and then that's the nut roast that we buy.
Go.
2. Oh.
You wanted that one more, or not? Sun-dried tomatoes, you want?
Yeah.
Oh, why do this?
I want 2. I've never seen.
I don't get it what it is. Oh, that's a squash onion.
It's so so weird looking. We've picked up pumpkins, we've had our mushroom
sausage roll.
Sausage
There was a bit
rolls.
of suspect bit of meat in there.
No, there wasn't.
There
It's a
was.
vegan place.
I know it is,
It's
but
not. No.
definitely looked like meat.
We've bought a little bit of food, haven't we? A few
Yeah,
little
in
meal
in
in
our
a box,
because I don't do plastic bags, obviously.
which is good. Taking some photographs.
I'll show you what we bought in a minute when we get in the car.
Yeah. Oh my god, look at that tractor.
My shoes aren't too bad, everyone. I don't think they are, are they?
They're not. There's a little bit on the white.
But that's dealable. Not on the suede.
No, Swede.
Suede. Oh no.
Oh, just, yeah, be careful, babes. Mine are a little bit, but mine were like £7 from Primark, so I'm really not that fussed.
God, it smells so good back here.
I know, it smells like onion bargies. So we have to put the aircon on because you can't take your coat off.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought you were going to show them what you bought.
Yeah, I'm gonna. So, in my special box
Let me
of
turn
food.
this on so that you can have your air conditioning on.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, I'm on warm. Turn me down.
Turn you down.
So, got a couple of little bits of food. We don't really get nut roasts, do we?
No.
But we do love them when we have them. And it's a nice one. It's just nice to have, isn't it, with like a roast dinner and stuff. So, we've bought 2.
Yeah.
And I think they're quite seasonal in supermarkets, aren't they?
Yeah.
I feel like I don't see them.
No.
So we've got a Mediterranean sun-dried tomato nut roast. These are by Artisan Grains, whoever they are. And then we've got a cashew nut and cranberry nut roast, which I'm more looking forward to.
See, so that's the reason why
We needed to buy 2 rather than 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
But
feel like that other one would taste actually really quite nice with like Mediterranean vegetables and like a Doughnut potato, and then
that's what
this one is
that's
more.
what the picture is.
It's not got a Doughnut potato on it.
What are them? What are they called
They're
then?
just like
Square potatoes.
square potatoes.
Oh, right.
Doughnut's got all like the cheese and stuff on it.
Oh, okay. I thought
Yeah.
that was them. But yeah, so they are completely vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, everything. So that's good.
Amazing.
And then we normally get these like, not Beyond Burgers, Oomph burgers. We normally get, and there's 2 in there, and they're like what, £2.50, £3?
That's when they're on a deal. They're around about £3 something, aren't they?
So we saw a company called Dragonfly, and it is a free from food. So it's dairy-free, gluten-free. Free of eggs, free of everything.
Obviously meat-free.
Completely organic as well, and they are vegan. So we've got 2 mushroom and garlic organic burgers.
Yeah.
Which are there.
For £2.50, and they're made in Britain.
And they're made in Britain, and
We liked the packaging.
I like the packaging.
It's in a card. It's in card,
Yeah.
which is good instead of always. Well, they're saying that oomp's in card.
Yeah, but they're like, it's spread out. This is just nice and compact. I like that. Then, just because we always get them anyway every week, so we thought we'd pick them up here. Some
we've got
organic
some
eggs.
organic eggs.
Organic and free range eggs. Which
They're
is cool.
usually they're about the same price
They're
as
about
the
the same
supermarket,
price.
so we thought
The
we'll
rest-
support more of a local one than
Yeah, absolutely. But it is quite expensive in there.
Yeah, it was.
Because it is all free range and organic.
and very locally grown and stuff.
yeah,
isn't it?
but you don't get half the things that they've got in supermarkets.
No, you don't
You
actually.
actually get a lot more.
Oh, squeezy!
You get a lot more with them because that's what they deal with. And actually, next door there is a completely vegan
Cafe.
and
Which we have
restaurant.
had a
Cooking class
vegan
there.
cooking class there. No, we're not vegan. You know we're not vegan, but we are veggies. But we're quite happy to eat vegan every now and then. We're just not totally giving up on the cheese and chocolate or the eggs,
Oh
are we?
yeah, no. But if you are vegan, there's one called Vigo, the chocolate.
They've probably tried that if they're vegan because
Yeah.
it is the best.
It is
It's
the best.
just
It's
so
I don't know how
expensive.
expensive it is anywhere else. I've only ever seen it here. But
like
you get a
£3
bar like
something,
that,
wasn't it?
and it's like, yeah,
Nearly £4.
it's
Yeah.
a joke, but it's nice.
It is really, and it's nice and chunky.
And they do spread,
They do a spread.
so yeah.
They might fall over now.
Are you gonna fall? If you drive really carefully, they might not fall.
I feel like I'm on my driving test.
Yeah, especially where.
Yeah, it's because there's humps. We're
Got ya.
parking in the.
So we are just off now to grab.
Oh, they were doing it.
What? Oh yeah, they're lining up everything on there if you can see. But we are yeah, off to a shopping centre to grab some donuts because we found these really nice donuts
They're like
that we want.
artisan style donuts. I really want to try one.
And they come in a box, so you have to get them. That is why.
That's not why.
That is
It's
why.
just
And
really
there will be
cute
a
packaging.
picture on Instagram, I can only imagine.
Guys, we've been sitting in traffic for so long. No, for the other one. Been sitting in traffic for so long for something that should have taken 10 minutes. It's literally been like half an hour.
What a ball ache.
Yeah.
Yo.
So we've just got.
Took us ages.
It was so long.
I hate cities.
We're not city people, are we? So we're so glad to get out of the city. Because we went in to go and get some donuts. But we're just going to quickly go and grab my makeup's all come off here where look at that, where I've been resting on my hand in the traffic. So we're going to go and get a drink at Starbucks. And then I want to stop into Lidl to get some cotton candy grapes.
Because
they're amazing. Maybe some rice, because we need some rice for dinner. And some rice for dinner.
Oh yeah, nice.
Have curry?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nice.
Okay, let's go get a drink.
But we're desperate for a drink because
so
we've been in this
thirsty.
car, so we actually haven't had a drink all day since breakfast.
It's so bad. It's so bad. So I'm going to get 2.
Oh, I get it too then too.
Okay. So we're home after we had left the video to upload
Shit,
for so long, and no one's here, no one's using the internet, and somehow it still fails. It's just rubbish. We've got another video that needs editing and uploaded. This video will need to. The internet is just shocking, and we can't get any better, can we?
No.
We can't get a better provider.
No, because we're in a new build and there's nothing.
They haven't
You'd
actually.
think
they would have
be
built
the most...
in the fibre. Yeah, we don't even have fibre broadband.
I just think in a new build you'd have everything.
Yeah. You should have the latest of everything.
LimeWire was quicker.
LimeWire.
LimeWire
I
and
remember if you
dial-up.
download. Well, I don't think dial-up would be.
Dial-up.
We're not far off that, but so that's really annoying. So
Yeah,
that's
we're just
now.
gonna sit here in the dark and not use any technology, and then for the next 16 hours.
The burgers need to go in the fridge.
And every time I need to download something on the PS4, that takes about 16 hours.
I hate our internet too. Maybe we should ring Sky
Maybe we should move.
and say like, well, don't even
Find
start on
buyers that don't flake out.
that one. Yeah. At the last.
One day before exchange. Douchebags.
They are douchebags.
They
I
are
didn't feel
douchebags.
I could dislike people I've never met so much in my life.
Oh, there's a hatred that steadily grows each day I'm here with this shitty internet. Oh, in the flip side, we got some cotton candy grapes.
Which is amazing. We need to put this laundry away.
Oh, get notifications left, right, and centre.
Got to put our coats away and our laundry away. You might have remembered as well, if the other vlog ever goes up, which it will do, I will make it. There used to be loads of stuff along here. And there also used to be loads of stuff all along here as well. But we decided to move some things and put some stuff away so it felt more comfortable.
Oh, I nearly put the crumpets in the fridge.
We got some
Where
little
do these
pumpkins
live?
that need a really good clean
I suppose they just live here, don't
in
they?
the cupboard. But a nice little collection of pumpkins. Give them a good clean, but we think they'll go really well in the flat right.
Nice box. Oh, I better shut that.
Yeah. I'll just pause it. Is it on yours?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we rang Sky, didn't we? And
Oh, yeah.
this needs to go in on top of that now.
Okay.
And wait.
All of it?
Yeah. Or all of it. Yeah. That's fine. And basically our internet is as good as it's gonna get. They basically said we need to wait for OpenReach to either put fibre in our area,
But
or
even then, we have to be the first ones to get it because there's only going to be a certain
so many
amount
ports.
I
I think
think
that's
that's
normal
crap.
though.
Is it?
There's only so many.
Certain houses down the road have it.
could have it, yeah. So some houses can have it and some can't. So we've asked for a text notification system so that they let us know as soon as there's fibres in, and I've registered with OpenReach. It's very dark in here. And I've registered with OpenReach to let us know when it's going to also be installed. Or the other option, they said, was move.
Move house, yeah.
Which
we
we're
should
like,
move by now.
and we're like, yeah, we know.
Bit of a touchy subject for me.
Bit of a touchy subject. Okay, all these need to go in.
Alex from Sky.
Alex from Skype. Babe, will you open them? Because these need to go in. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Should it be this high?
Okay, 5 minutes and counting.
Yeah. Oh,
That
yes.
high?
That'll be fine. Yeah, that's okay.
I'll take it down a bit because it was, yeah.
So we're just making a little curry. A veggie curry, aren't we?
Veggie curry.
So we've got potatoes.
Carrots and
Green beans?
Green beans.
Yeah. We didn't put anything else in there, did we? Haven't got any cauliflower or anything. Some rice, some naan bread.
Oh, you've got mango chutney.
Mango
When did
chutney.
you get that? I didn't see that.
We got that when we were in Lidl.
Oh, good.
Never understand the things that we want. Why do you keep coming back? I want love you don't know. So why are you here?
Oh, yeah. We've had
'Cause you
these
were
for
like,
3 years.
These are our little Halloween candles.
We actually have burnt them though, haven't we?
We
The
haven't
main
burnt
one.
the little ones, not the little ones. We've burnt this one. There's not much.
She's pretty cool though.
Yeah. He's
A bit
cool
of
little one.
decoration.
And then,
Oh,
oh.
I think we're done.
So it's not the most attractive looking, and I dropped quite a bit mango chutney, but actually it looks quite yummy. We just need to give the countertops a really good clean now because made a little bit of a mess. As Jed always says, I'm actually a really messy cook. So we're gonna have this and then find something good to watch on the telly. Hello.
Hello.
Ooh.
Filming.
Well, we need to finish the vlog, don't we?
Oh, of yesterday.
Yeah. Oh, well done.
Oh, every time.
Every time. This is the proof that Jed can't open the door properly without it denting the front door.
It's not really a dent there.
It is a full-on dent. But we just got back from food shopping, haven't we?
Yeah, fun.
Fun. So now you're going to watch Man City.
Yeah.
And
Back in time.
we thought we'd end the vlog now, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
So we hope you guys have enjoyed it. Yeah, we have. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribed. You just punched me in the stomach.
Yeah, I did actually.
Make sure you subscribed and that you've hit the notification button for more videos. And we will see you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.
You're a rebel.